After the power is on, the PWR indicator on the top is green, and the LNK network light is off. At this time, the camera cannot be recognized in the camera list. If with the independent NIC, modify the network attributes to adapt to the fast Ethernet of the smart camera. Turn on the change adapter settings and find the corresponding interface to change. Properties Configuration Advanced. And change 1 gigabit per second full duplex from connection speed in duplex to auto negotiation or 100 megabits per second full duplex. When status is identifying, right-click to enter properties again. Slide down to find Internet Protocol version 4. Set the computer network IP. At this time, the camera is identified. And the first connection needs to set the camera IP, which is in the same network segment as the computer IP.